Sri Ananda Lingeshwara Temple, situated in a small hill called Ananda Giri Hill near Hebbal, Karnataka state, was originated in 13th century Chola dynasty era. The temple was renovated in 2000 and 2012 Ganesha Temple on the west side of the hill. In 2013, a Kala Bairaveshwara idol was installed in a cave towards east of the hill. The Kala Bairaveshwara is also known as Kshetra Paalaka, that means the protector of the area. According to Shiva Purana, the devotees had to first devote the Kala Bairaveshwara god before seeing the main god. The idol was installed and modified by Sri Ananda Lingeshwara Kshetra Trust in the year 2009. The cave has a secret escape route to Nandi Hills. A secret passage on the west is believed to have helped the kings to escape during unforeseen attacks on Nandi Hills, situated in present Chicka ballapura. The tunnel connects Ananda Giri to Nandi Hill by 57 km by road and 49 km by tunnel. Because of construction, the link of the tunnel has been closed in between. Other temples surrounding the hill: Ganesha Temple, one towards west, one towards north; Munishwara Temple towards north; Katurema Devi Temple towards northeast; Santoshi Mata Mandir in Garasiya Colony; Adi Shakti Mandir in Garasiya Colony; Sri Vishnu Shakti Lakshmi Mandir in Garasiya Colony; Ayyappa Temple towards east; Shani Mahatma Temple towards southeast; Kala Bairaveshwara Temple towards east side of temple. Mahashivratri is a Hindu festival celebrated every year in reverence of Lord Shiva. It is the day Shiva was married to Parvati. The Mahashivratri festival, also popularly known as Great Night of Lord Shiva, is observed on the 13th night, 14th day in the Krishna Paksha every year on the month of Falgun according to the Hindu calendar. This festival is celebrated very grandly in the hill. It will be like a fair. More than 1,000 people visit the temple from areas surrounding hill. Various programs are organized from the holiday to till the next day on this occasion. Every year, free lunch is organized on the next day of the holiday Shivratri. Om Namah Shivaya.